Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, aka Wagwan. So today I'm gonna make some carrot juice and I'll be showing you the ingredients when I'm putting in my carrots. So let's go straight ahead and do that carrot juice. Also, if you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe. And if you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. So let's go in and make that juice. So I'm gonna use my blender to blend my carrots. So let me use a spoon to assist me. So put your carrots in your blender like so. And I am using about 6 carrots. I just cut them small so that it can blend. Now I'm gonna add some spring water, or you can add whatever water you want. I'm just adding some water to blend out my carrots. And now blend. But I'm gonna add some more water to it because it needs some more water. I'm adding my water. Add some more water to make it blend out nicely. When your carrot is finished blending out smooth, I'm gonna get a strainer. That's what we call it in Jamaica, strainer, so I can strain it. So take your carrots, strain your carrot like so. Yeah, so just repeat this procedure as you go along. Just strain your carrot until you're finished straining it. Then you can add your other ingredients that you're gonna add to your carrot. And to get a little bit more juice out of my carrot, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer it back to the blender, and then I am going to add a little bit more water and give it another blend just to get more juice out of my carrots. So get as much juice as you can out of your carrot when you're making it. Okay, it depends on how many people you're making it for as well. That's the carrot juice. Literally put your water, blend it and strain it. And I'm going to show you now how I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. And I've got some dragon stout over here, and I'm going to just pour some in here. Actually, I'm pouring all of it in there. So put your dragon stout in, just give it a whisk around just to incorporate it together. And I've got some ground nutmeg. Let's not use this there. Yeah, so let me get my thingy. And I love the taste of nutmeg, so I'm putting 1 teaspoon of nutmeg in mine. You can put less if you want, but 1 teaspoon is good for me because I like nutmeg. So give that a whisk as well to incorporate everything together. 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Let's put 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence in there. Let me just put this over here. Put that there. And now I'm going to add my condensed milk. I'm just always cleaning. Yeah, so add your condensed milk. Actually, what I'm gonna do is let me just wash this out. To make my life a little bit easier, I'm gonna transfer my carrot juice back into my blender, and I'll be adding the condensed milk and blend it out, make it more quick and easy. So I have transferred back my carrot juice to my blender so that it can be blended out more easily. The condensed milk can be blended out more easily. So right now, let me just go ahead and just put my condensed milk in and blend it out. So as I said, guys, this part is totally up to you depending on how sweet you like your juice when you're making your juice. So this part is optional. So add your condensed milk until it is as sweet as you want it to be. So I'm gonna blend it up so that my condensed milk can be blended. So I am going to taste my carrot juice to see how it tastes, if it's very sweet. Mm, that tastes so good. That's it. That's your carrot juice all done. It's very simple, quick, and easy, guys. This is no difficult thing. It's just so straightforward, so quick and easy. And I'm gonna serve it up now. I'm gonna show you guys how I serve up my carrot juice. So now I am going to pour. Ooh, this ran over, so let me just wipe that. I am just gonna pour my carrot juice into my cup. Yep, it's pouring over, and I'm gonna put my juice into my jug that I'm gonna store it in my fridge. So let me just pour the rest of my juice in here. So guys, that is my carrot juice all done and dusted. All done and dusted. I'm gonna give you a close-up look of what my carrot juice look like. Stay right there, let me give you a close-up look. So that's it, carrot juice done and served up. That's the carrot juice all done, and it's so quick, simple, and easy. So it's basically like about 5-6 ingredients in this juice, and it is very tasty, it's very delicious. So I would I would try this recipe if I were you. I would try this recipe. So mm, guys, do chill this in the fridge as well. I'm gonna put that on the fridge to chill. So when it's chill, it's gonna be much more nicer. So guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel again. Love you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell. Guys, subscribe. It's like free. It's like free. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. I am gonna go and enjoy my carrot juice. So cheers.